The SS301S Sparger is made of high heat and corrosion-resistant SS301S stainless steel, ideal for use in high-temperature environments. The product includes a sparger body and a 1/8 threaded connection, ensuring easy installation and excellent sealing performance. The material and micron size can be laser printed on the product surface for easy identification and management. While the micron sizes of 0.1 and 0.2 are shown in the video demonstration, the actual product can be customized to other specifications and materials to meet various application needs. Customizable pore sizes allow for precise control of flow rates and distribution patterns, further enhancing its adaptability. This sparger is a reliable solution for industries requiring durable, efficient, and customizable sparging components.